The body fluids. In chapter 18, you will study about the body fluids of human and the higher organisms. The body fluids which circulate in our body are of two types, the blood and the lymph. The body fluids help in the transportation of substances to and from the cells. Blood and lymph, these are specialized connective tissues, but they are liquid connective tissues. The bone is the solid connective tissue. Blood is the liquid connective tissue. The blood consists of two parts, the liquid part, the fluid part, which is called matrix or plasma, and the formed elements, that means the blood cells. About 55% of the blood comprises matrix or plasma or the fluid. About 45% constitute the formed elements, the three types of blood cells: erythrocytes, leukocytes, thrombocytes. The blood plasma or matrix is straw-colored viscous fluid. The chemical composition of the blood plasma is as follows. The blood plasma contains 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% plasma proteins, some minerals or ions, glucose, amino acids and fatty acids, the biomolecules, and some specialized factors which are called clotting factors. So these are the substances which together make the plasma or matrix. The most important components of blood plasma are the proteins. Proteins which remain in the plasma. There are three plasma proteins: fibrinogen, albumin, globulin. Fibrinogen helps in coagulation of blood. Albumin helps in maintaining osmotic balance of the plasma. Globulins are involved in immune response, in fighting against the disease-causing organisms. They are involved in defense mechanisms of the body. Clotting factors. These are some specialized factors which remain in the blood plasma in inactive form. But when there is an injury, there is a trauma, there is a small cut in the skin or any part of the body, the clotting factors become active. The blood plasma without clotting factors is called serum. If the clotting factors are removed, the blood plasma without clotting factors is called serum, S-E-R-U-M. Now the formed elements or the blood cells. The formed elements or blood cells are of three types. Compare the three types of blood cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBCs highest in number, their proportion is the highest, 5 million to 5.5 million per millimeter cube of blood. Leukocytes or WBC, minimum, least in quantity, least in proportion, 6,000 to 8,000 per millimeter cube of blood. Thrombocytes or platelets are higher in proportion than WBC. The RBCs have no nucleus. WBCs have nuclei, they are nucleated. Thrombocytes or platelets are non-nucleated, they do not have nucleus. RBC of human are biconcave in shape. Leukocytes or WBCs are round, spherical or irregular shaped. Thrombocytes or platelets are biconvex, lens shaped. They are fragments of cells. They are biconvex, lens shaped. RBCs are red colored because of the presence of hemoglobin pigment. Leukocytes are colorless. Thrombocytes are colorless. The erythrocytes are smaller than leukocytes, about 6 to 8 micrometer in diameter. Leukocytes or WBCs are the largest, about 12 to 17 micrometer in diameter. Thrombocytes are the smallest, finest and the thinnest, 2 to 3 micrometer in diameter. Lifespan. Erythrocytes survive for 120 days. After 120 days, the mature and old RBCs are destroyed and new RBCs are formed. Destruction of RBC takes place in the spleen. So the spleen is called the graveyard of RBCs. The lifespan of WBC 13 to 20 days. Lifespan of thrombocytes only 10 days. They are very short-lived, only 10 days. The RBCs are manufactured in bone marrow. The WBC and thrombocytes are also manufactured in the bone marrow. The thrombocytes are produced from some large cells called megakaryocytes.